Pay attention if you're living in Abuja, especially. Now, this might be happening in other areas, but this is my reality. It happened to me. It happens to several people I know, and recently it happened to somebody I was discussing with just 2 days ago, and I said to share this with you. I used to live in this city 2012 to 2015 before I moved to America. But while I was living here, something happened. I used to live in this duplex somewhere in Gwarimpa. It was a big duplex, so we were about 4. So I took one side of the house, basically. But I found out something strange that was happening. Several things in my life started drying up.